Welcome to Radzen Blazor Studio. In this short video, we'll learn how to use theme service with a RadzenDropDown to let users change the application theme at runtime. First, make sure theme service is available in your project. It's automatically registered when you call AddRadzenComponents in your program's CS file, and it requires a RadzenTheme tag in the head of your app, usually inside App.razor. This allows Radzen to update the app's look instantly when a new theme is selected. Now we'll add a Radzen dropdown that lists all available themes, bind its value to the current theme, and use the ValueChanged event to call a method whenever the user makes a new selection. Let's define a theme dropdown ValueChanged method. This small method is the event handler for the dropdown. The method then calls ThemeService which immediately applies that theme across the entire application. When a user picks a theme, the dropdown passes the selected value, such as Material, Fluent, or Standard Dark. There's no page reload. The colors, typography, and component styles all update in real time. Let's break down two important properties here: TextProperty and ValueProperty. The dropdown needs to know what to display to the user and what value to actually use behind the scenes. ValueProperty tells it which field provides the internal value used by theme service, like Material or Fluent. TextProperty tells it which field to show as the visible text, in this case the theme text property such as Material or Fluent. So users see a friendly name, while the dropdown passes the correct value for applying the theme. And that's it. With just a dropdown and one short method, you've created a runtime theme picker for your Blazor app. It's a clean and powerful example of how theme service keeps your application fully dynamic.